found Dr. Thompson because I had skin cancer, and my dermatologist sent me to the Huntsman Cancer Institute to have a 50-cent size piece cut from my face. And so I had a hole in my face, and that Dr. Summers at the Cancer Institute recommended Dr. Thompson. So I went to him cold. I'd not knowing who I was going to get, and I was never so impressed with how kind he was just in meeting him. And then following surgery, you can't even see the scars. So that's how I met him, was with Mohs reconstructive surgery, and he did a fabulous job. So that was in 2007, and then I just started to feel like I looked tired, and the age that I felt inside is not what I saw when I looked in the mirror. And so there would be no other person that I would ever trust with my face but Dr. Thompson. And so I went for a consult and told him what I felt, and he agreed with me. And he said that, you know, he made recommendations, and what I really liked also was that he emphasized that it would look natural, because I wanted sort of a reboot. I didn't want to look like anyone else. I still wanted to look like me, just to refresh me. And I'm just elated by the results. I think that he took years off my face. I look years younger without really changing the way that I look. He's very direct and straightforward and down to earth. He talks to you in a way that you can understand what he's talking about. Welcomes questions, welcomes concerns, doesn't ever make you feel as though you've asked a stupid question or that you're being vain, because you're there talking about yourself and your looks, and it's a little uncomfortable sometimes, but he is so gracious with the way that he treats your concerns and treats you with an overall respect. One of the most important things for me with Dr. Thompson is that he specializes in faces and necks. So that's all that he works on, and that's his area of expertise, and it shows. I feel like we have our own jewel here, and he's just a fabulous surgeon. The other thing is, I think that he's an artist. He's a perfectionist, and he's a pianist, so I think that he just has an artistic ability that is not something that every person has. And so he comes to it with that gift already, and I think that's what makes him so talented. Even his logo that he designed is with the S and the T, and it goes into a face, is you know, just shows the artistic side of him.